For homeowners searching for Awning Windows Melville NY, choosing the right style can instantly improve comfort, curb appeal, and ventilation. Residential Awning Windows Melville properties benefit from top hinged designs that open outward, making them ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, basements, and modern living spaces. Home Awning Windows Melville residents choose are often selected for airflow, weather protection, and easy operation. Whether you want custom Awning Windows Melville homeowners love or best Awning Windows Melville families trust, these versatile units fit both classic and contemporary homes. Local Awning Windows Melville experts can help match sizing, materials, glass packages, and finishes to any renovation plan. Awning window installation Melville services are essential when upgrading aging or inefficient windows in Melville homes. Professional awning window installers Melville NY residents rely on ensure a precise fit, proper sealing, and durable performance in all seasons. If you need Awning Windows Melville or modern awning window installation Melville, expert crews can handle new construction, remodels, and retrofits with efficiency. A trusted awning window company or licensed awning window company Melville NY will inspect your opening, recommend the best frame material, and provide dependable craftsmanship. For long-term value, many homeowners request awning window estimates Melville contractors can deliver quickly and accurately. Energy savings are a major reason many families invest in energy-efficient Awning Windows Melville homes need year-round. Advanced glass packages, insulated frames, and double-pane Awning Windows Melville options help reduce drafts, improve indoor comfort, and lower energy bills. Energy-efficient Awning Windows Melville homeowners install often include low-E glass, argon gas fills, and upgraded weather stripping for improved thermal performance. Double-pane awning windows near Plainview NY are especially popular for reducing heat loss in winter and solar gain in summer. Melville NY window replacement awning-style projects frequently focus on energy efficiency because older windows can lead to unnecessary heating and cooling costs across Long Island NY. Awning window replacement Melville projects are a practical solution when windows become difficult to open, leak air, or show visible wear. Homeowners seeking awning window replacement Melville or home awning window replacement Dix Hills NY often replace outdated units with stronger, better insulated models. Modern Awning Windows Melville properties now feature sleeker lines, improved locking systems, and storm protection that outperform older designs. If your current windows are warped, drafty, or damaged, awning window upgrades and awning window retrofit services can modernize the appearance and function of the entire home. Custom awning windows in Melville, New York are also ideal for replacing hard-to-fit openings in older houses. Repairs can often restore performance without the cost of a full replacement, especially when handled by experienced awning window replacement Melville specialists. Common services include awning window sash replacement Melville, awning window frame replacement Melville, and awning window frame replacement near Brentwood NY for damaged or aging components. If glass is cracked or fogged, awning window glass replacement Melville and awning window glass replacement Melville can improve visibility, efficiency, and security. Homeowners searching for awning window replacement near Huntington NY or Awning Windows Melville service can benefit from prompt service before minor issues become major structural concerns. Reliable Awning Window Service NY helps maintain safety, weather resistance, and smooth operation. Storm protection is another key advantage of storm-resistant Awning Windows Melville homeowners increasingly prefer. Storm-proof awning windows near Syosset NY are designed to stand up to wind, rain, and changing coastal weather patterns that affect Long Island and Melville NY. With reinforced frames, tight seals, and impact-conscious glass options, these windows can help reduce water intrusion and weather damage during severe conditions. Many awning window contractors Melville recommend enhanced hardware and upgraded glazing for exposed elevations and vulnerable rooms. For homes in Melville, South Huntington, Woodbury, and nearby communities, durable awning windows offer peace of mind alongside everyday ventilation and style. Material selection plays a major role in durability, maintenance, and affordability, with vinyl awning windows Melville being one of the most requested options. Vinyl awning windows Melville installers often recommend vinyl frames because they resist moisture, require little upkeep, and provide strong energy performance at a competitive price point. Homeowners comparing affordable awning windows near Babylon, NY with premium awning windows near Comac, NY can find solutions that match both budget and design preferences. Vinyl, aluminum-clad, and composite products are all available through a residential awning window company Melville, NY homeowners trust. The right material depends on your goals for insulation, appearance, longevity, and maintenance needs.